Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let's start off our discussion with the next subsection, which is about nervous disorders. And towards the beginning of our discussion, I would like to ask few questions from you. And here we have got the options. A option is Parkinson's disease, B option is epilepsy, and C option is Alzheimer's disease. And पहली statement है हमारे पास, memorizing ability of brain is compromised in case of. And the best response to this question is Alzheimer's disease. Basically Alzheimer's disease वो disease है जो कि memory को affect करती है. And next statement, which of the following is considered as convulsive disorder of nervous system? तो यहाँ पे जो keyword है that is convulsive, right? So convulsive disorder जो है nervous system का, that is the epilepsy. So best response is beta to this question. And the next statement, involuntary tremors is characteristic feature of. तो जो involuntary tremors हैं basically ये Parkinson's disease का एक major feature है. So best response would be alpha to this question. Another statement, diminished motor power and rigidity characterize. So diminished motor power और rigidity ये भी Parkinson's disease को ही करेक्टराइज करते हैं. अब हम इन डिजीज़ को इन डिटेल डिस्कस करते हैं ताकि आप इस तरह के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं फाइनल एग्जाम में, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में इजीली आंसर कर पाएँ. So I'm going to summarize all the high yield facts regarding these diseases in this particular table. Let me orient you towards this table. In the extreme left column we have got the feature. In the